Mark here, and welcome to the 10 Acre Woods. This here is Lucifer, one of our 9 black cats, and he often joins me on these little review videos, as long as he doesn't get in the way. So here on the farm, we often get some product that's sent to us to try out and unbox. And today we have a Waterfall from a company called POPOSOAP. So I'll put a link down in the description to this pump here. So I haven't opened it yet, of course, but so this is a first look. I have checked it out online. It looks like a nice little unit. So let's see what we have here in the box. Of course, we have there it is there, POPOSOAP. So that is the Waterfall user manual. I believe it's a 660 gallon per hour, 40 watt pump. So I won't be able to test this one out, but I will put some footage in of its operation. There's plenty of footage. Unfortunately, our pond is now closed due to the weather. We're getting ice that's covering the pond these mornings, so it is quite cold out there. What do you think, Lucifer? You like the box? Yeah, cats often like boxes. All right, so we have a small box here. We have hose, and we have a, I guess the pump goes in this, so you can, I guess it's a filter, keep the leaves and such out. There are 2 silicone bulk nail-free adhesive, black nail-free adhesive. So, okay, so it's an adhesive, not necessarily a silicone. And that is to put it together. It comes in 2 pieces, is my understanding. There's the box. Zip tie, there you go, Lucifer. You can see if you'll want to go. You're probably too big for the box anyway. Okay, what do we got here? So the first larger box is, okay, so this is the unit itself. Yeah, so that's the tray. So it's 1 foot. I think you can get it in 2 sizes, a 1 foot and a 8-inch size. And what you'll do is you'll take that adhesive and you'll put it on this lip here, as well as on here, and then this will then just get attached, which it actually fits pretty tight, but of course you could get some leakage. So that's how it's going to sit. Water, of course, is going to overflow the outside. Now, what I have seen is people put a few different things in here, depending on your application. You can put some rock in here. You can put some different types of material to hold beneficial bacteria in your pond. I've even seen people plant some grass in here, some wild grass. You should put something in here because the power of the pump is quite powerful, and what happens is it comes through and it can splash up and over the edge. You're just gonna lie right there, are you? Okay, so this is obviously the pump, and as I mentioned, it's a 40 watt pump. So it's a decent size. Sometimes you get some of these pumps and you know, you hook them up and they just don't really move much water. But from doing a little bit of research on this, it seems like this is quite a pump. It does have a control here for your high and low, so you can speed it up or slow it down. He just gets in the way. I think he's gone now. Okay, so you have a few different fittings in here. Some of them are suction cups that go on the bottom of the pump, so depending on your application, they'll just go in and you can mount this. In most cases, in a standard pond, you're probably not going to use those. The one end here just has the elbow on it, and this simply fits in the top here, and you can spin it on. It'd be a good idea to even take some Teflon tape and put some Teflon tape on it. This other end actually has a gasket and nut on it. So you want to take that off you'll want to keep one nut on, so it's like a silicone, and then you just place that in here like such, and just tighten it in. So I've installed that on there, but I am noticing that I'm getting a threaded on both side adapter here, and there are actually no threads on the inside of this elbow. So it's just wedged in there. So I'm not sure if that's going to pose any kind of a problem. My guess is the second tube of adhesive is for that. So you can actually screw that in, and then you can adhesive on there and then put it in and let that harden while you're waiting for this here to harden. So it will be exciting to see this pump in action. Yeah, it says here 660 gallons per hour. It doesn't have the wattage, but I know the information online says it is a 40-watt pump. So that's it. First look. We will put this in the pond in the spring. It'll be a nice little water feature. We'll probably put some rocks around it and have it kind of out and overflow in the pond area. So I will finish off this video with some footage of its operation. And again, if you're interested in this product, check down below and check on that link. Take care. Have a good one.